Ian Sellers, and I'm one of the Maximo technical specialists in IBM Sustainability Software, covering UK and Ireland.
Hi, Neil Stanford, Cohesive Solutions, Senior Solutions Manager in the Central Technology and Data team, part of the Mass Enablement Programme at Cohesive.
Nice to meet you. And you. So I wanted to ask you about predictive maintenance and digital twin journey as well. So what is the journey to predict, and how does MAS help that?
Okay, great question, and commonly misunderstood. So we'll have to come to the digital twin in the next section, but that preventative predictive maintenance model is part of a data maturity, so it depends on how mature your data is and whether or not you can take hold of the functionality that opens up in the Maximo application suite. So common misconception is, first part of that, just in Maximo these days you could do condition-based maintenance. That would be the first stop away from your traditional schedule-based maintenance. But then once you're inside the Maximo application suite, you can use health, monitor, predict to gather data, gather insights around how your assets are performing, predict failure types, predict when failures are going to happen in order to optimize that maintenance journey. Once again, MAS enables you to do that because traditionally you would have had a procurement piece to get health, do the installation, do a proof of concept. But now you're in a suite where you can just deploy the application, do your proof of concept, decide if it's for you or not, and move on with your journey. So once again, it becomes a whole world easier inside this application suite.
So how do you help your customers leverage digital twin and BIM capabilities within the Maximo application suite?
Yes, so a common misconception around is that a digital twin is a visual representation of your asset, which is actually not the truth. That's the BIM side of things, which is a visual representation of whatever asset it is you're currently operating. So in terms of the BIM sort of standardization and deployment, what we do at Cohesive is we've built a digital twin plugin for the Bentley iTwin platform. So it allows our clients to consume the best-in-breed Bentley iTwin platform for their visualization of data integrated into IBM Mass Manage. On that digital twin journey, once again, there's many applications open to clients to have a representation of their asset. So Maximo Manage is a 2D digital representation of an asset. So once again, you have the physical representation, then you've got the digital representation of the asset, which could be made up of manage, health, monitor, predict. Okay, and then we move off into that BIM, that visualization. Okay, eventually everyone's looking to contextualize that, right, and make that data useful to allow them to reach operational efficiencies.
So what is the ideal vision for a fully integrated, holistic platform for asset management?
Yes, so what we see, or the common requests from a lot of our clients, and I'm sure IBM have the same requests, is everyone wants that one-stop shop for how is my assets, how's the health, what are they doing, what do I need to react to, what do I need to do. And what we've done at Cohesive is we've developed something called Cohesive Data Connect. What that allows us to do is have like a single pane of glass view on what is traditionally siloed data. So you might have your managed data, which is operational maintenance data. You might have the file systems or the associated files, so P&ID, drawings, etc., etc. What Data Connect allows us to do is to marry that all up into one pane of glass, where you can then interact to a certain level. And if you need to go down into the disparate application to take hold of the functionality that application offers, you can dive down back into Manage. But it's essentially trying to remove the silos that have historically been present in data that's disparate. So having an application over here and an application over here, and maybe having an integration where they talk to each other but only to a degree. Okay, so it's trying to remove that sort of spider web of integrations and having that holistic approach to a one single vision, top down to your asset, hopefully optimizing the performance of your assets.
Sure.